I want to talk to you about personal credit cards with same-day approval from credit unions. And so here's a list I want you to pay attention to. First, I want you to look at the Aligned Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card. This is a personal credit card, same-day approval. And the FICO score they want to have with this card is 600, okay? And we love the fact that Aligned actually has made the approval process a lot faster. This is really fantastic. And this card is actually great for cashback. So the rewards rate, you have 1.5% to 2.5% cashback. This is really fantastic. And the regular APR here goes from 17% to 27%. So the Aligned Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card is actually one of the best personal same-day approval credit card. And it has a no annual fee, and it has a superb rewards. Think about it. You can earn 2.5% cashback on the first $10,000 per month with qualifications met and 1.5% otherwise. It's really fantastic. And what we don't like with this card is that the bonus rewards rate has a spending cap and the card has a high regular APR. Think about it. 27%, that's really, really high. And so consider getting this Aligned Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card if you have a FICO score that starts at 600 and the rewards suits your spending habits. So anyone can qualify for Aligned Credit Union membership at no cost by becoming an Aligned Credit Union Foundation Digital Inclusion Advocate. Okay. What happens here is that it doesn't matter like that your geography, where you live at, where you work at, doesn't matter. Okay. There's no restrictions in terms of biology, geography, or profession. Align will make a one-time $5 contribution to the foundation on your behalf. So this is really cool. And what are the pros and cons of this card here? The pros first: no membership fees, high rewards rate, no foreign fee. Well, what about the cons? Well, spending caps on rewards, no initial rewards bonus, no intro APR on purchases, no intro APR on balance transfers. So something that you have to think about. And this card actually works with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. In terms of travel benefits, you have $250,000 travel accident coverage, rental car collision coverage, and roadside assistance. And you have up to $5,000 of personal identity theft protection for covered expenses to restore your identity. So that's really cool. If you're looking for the personal credit cards at same-day approval from credit unions, you want to think about First Tech Choice Rewards World Mastercard. This is another wonderful card. This is a rewards credit card, and the FICO score they want you to have for this card is 625 FICO score minimum. And the regular APR on the First Tech Choice Rewards World Mastercard is way lower than what Aligned Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card really charges. Okay, so the regular APR with First Tech Choice goes from 13.5% to 18%. So that's really good. The card has no annual fee, and the rewards rate goes from 1 to 2 points per dollar spent. And the bonus offer, when you get the card, you have 20,000 points. Okay, minimum FICO score, remember, 625. And so we love the fact that the First Tech Choice Rewards World Mastercard comes with a great deal of rewards for people with good credit. I mean, good credit, let's say average to good credit. It offers an initial bonus of 20,000 points for spending. Think about it, 3,000 in the first 60 days. And this is really cool. As a cardholder, you can earn also between 1 to 2 points per dollar spent on purchases. That's really good. What we love about this card, this kind of cards in general, is that basically you are able to get the card. I mean, being like when it comes to membership, you don't have to live in a specific geography. You can qualify for. I mean, it's good if you live or work in Lake County, Oregon. That's for sure. If you're a family member of an existing member, that's for sure. But you can also be a member of the Computer History Museum or the Financial Fitness Association, the FFA. And so those are the conduits that really lead you to a membership in First Tech. And what are the pros and cons here? The advantages with this card is that you have no membership fees, high rewards rate, 20,000 points initial rewards bonus, and you have no foreign fees. In terms of the cons, there is no intro APR, so this could be a little problematic for some people, but overall it's still good anyway. Okay, the card has no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees. So that's really cool. If you're looking for a personal credit card same day approval from a credit union, I want you to think about PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature Card. Now, this card actually wants you to have they want you to have a FICO score that starts at 650. So you got to have a good or excellent credit to qualify for this card. This card is really great because you have a 0% transfer intro APR. So 0% for 12 months, the first 12 months. There is a 3% balance transfer fee, by the way. And the regular APR is a 17.99. It's variable, but the card has an annual fee of $95. So make sure that you actually, and the $95 is now waived the first year, okay? Some credit cards some credit card issuers will waive will waive the annual fee the first year. But the PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature ain't doing it, okay? So you have a $95 that you have to actually shell out from the very first year. And in terms of rewards rate, you have 1.5 to 4 points per dollar spent. There is a bonus offer of 50,000 points. This is really good. So what we love about this card also is that you are able to actually qualify. I mean, you can qualify for membership, not a problem. I mean, PenFed was a couple of years ago. PenFed was actually tied to the military, so they required you to have a military affiliation a couple of years back. But nowadays, anybody living in this country can actually qualify for membership, not a problem. So consider applying for the PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature Card if you have good credit or better and want to earn rewards on travel purchases. Okay. What are the pros and cons here? The pros first. The intro APR on balance transfers, high rewards rate, 50,000 points initial rewards bonus. You have no foreign fee. What about the drawbacks, membership fee. So that's the annual fee. No intro APR on purchases. Balance transfer fee, 3%. Remember that. And this card requires good to excellent credit. But the cool thing is that you can earn more everywhere you go, and PenFed will actually back you up in that 50,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. Up to a $799 total travel value, 4x points on all travel categories for PenFed Honors Advantage members, 3x points on all travel categories, and you have 1.5x points on all other purchases. So that's really good, a very good proposition here. If you're looking for a personal credit card same-day approval from a credit union, I want to introduce you to another PenFed credit card, and this time you have the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. And we love this. What we love about this card is that it's actually another card that allows you to actually earn bonus points. So there is a transfer intro APR of 0% for 12 months. There is, of course, a transfer fee of 3%. There's always a transfer fee on all PenFed credit cards. The regular APR starts at 17.99, which is a little high for a credit union, but hey, listen, it is what it is. You have a rewards rate of 1 to 5 points per dollar spent. But this card is great because it has no annual fee, unlike the other one, the PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature. And the bonus offer here is a 15,000 points, and the FICO score they ask for this card is actually 600. Okay. And what I want to say here is that basically the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card rewards cardholders like you with 5 points per dollar spent on gas and electric vehicle charging stations, 3 points per dollar at supermarkets and restaurants, 3 points per dollar on cable, satellites, and other paid television, radio streaming services, as well as 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. It also offers, as I said a little earlier, an initial bonus of 15,000 points for spending $1,500 in the first 3 months, plus an introductory APR of 0% for 12 months on balance transfers. There is no annual fee. Fantastic. So now the thing is that you want to consider applying for the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card if you have average to good credit and your biggest recurring expenses include gas and groceries. And this is cool because anyone can join PenFed, by the way. So fantastic. And one thing I need to say is that let me just sort of remind you about the details. You basically have 5x points on gas paid at the pump and EV charging stations, 3x points at the supermarket, including most Target and Walmart locations, restaurants and TV, radio, cable, and streaming services. You have 1x points actually on all other purchases. And so 15,000 bonus points when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. So this is something that you have to think about. But the good thing is that this card has no annual fee, so we love that a lot. And you are able to have a purchase variable APR that starts at 17.99%. If you're looking for a personal credit card same day approval from a credit union, I want you to really consider NIH Federal Credit Union Visa Signature Travel Rewards. And this card actually has a regular APR of 18%, no annual fee, so that's really good. You have the ability to actually sort of clarify things from the get-go, so we love that a lot. And the rewards rate goes from 1 to 3 points per dollar spent. There is a bonus offer of 20,000 points, and this card wants you to have a FICO score of 650 to actually qualify, okay? But overall, we love the fact that the NIH Federal Credit Union Visa Signature Travel Rewards offers 3 points per dollar spent on gas up to $6,000 per year, travel, dining, electric vehicle charging and rideshare, taxi, limo, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. And as a cardholder, you also get an initial bonus of 20,000 points after spending $1,500 in the first 90 days. There is no annual fee, by the way. And so we love the fact that this card actually is great in terms of possibilities, okay? And by the way, you don't have to NIH stands for National Institute of Health, but you don't have to be in the health industry to actually, healthcare industry to actually qualify, okay? If you are affiliated with the National Institute of Health as an employee, contractor, fellow, volunteer, or pensioner, no problem. But you can also get a free membership to the American Consumer Council, the ACC. So this will qualify you for NIH FCU membership. That's totally fine. So when you think about this card, actually there are no membership fees, a higher rewards rate, 20,000 points initial rewards bonus, no foreign fee. And in terms of the cons, there are spending caps on rewards, no intro APR on purchases, no intro APR on balance transfers. And the card actually requires you to have a average to good credit, okay? So this is kind of cool. But long story short, you also have Visa Signature Concierge, including travel and emergency assistance. You have lost luggage and travel accident insurance. And you also have extended warranty protection. So that's really cool there. Another card I want to share with you, if you're looking for personal credit cards, same day approval from a credit union, you want to think about a third PenFed card. And this time we are talking about the PenFed Gold Visa card. And this card actually is pretty, the requirements for FICO score are really lower here. So 575 to 590. So you can see that the requirements are lower. And this card actually gives you a purchase intro APR of 0% for 15 months. You have a transfer intro APR of 0% for 15 months, and a regular APR that starts at 18%. This is kind of cool. And so what we love about this card is that you have no annual card fee, intro APR on purchases, intro APR on balance transfers, and no foreign fee. The only drawbacks that we have found is that the card actually features no rewards, no initial rewards bonus, no balance transfer fee. This could be a little problematic, and you have a high there is a balance transfer fee, by the way, and you have a high regular APR. And this is kind of cool. And so one thing I want to say here is that basically this card, the best way to actually use this card is through a balance transfer. You just have to make sure that the economics of the transaction are basically in your advantage. Because if you take advantage of the balance transfer, you will be immediately charged interest on all purchases made with the credit card unless you pay the entire account balance, including balance transfers in full every month by the payment due date. So be aware of that possibility. But one thing we love about this card, and by the way, PenFed, as I said a little earlier, is actually open in terms of membership to everybody living in this country. You don't have to be affiliated with the military to actually qualify for a membership. And this is sort of different from Navy Fed, for instance. Navy Fed wants you to have a solid affiliation with the military, either through biology, through profession, or geography. But PenFed is really more open, and everybody in this country can qualify for membership, not a problem. And the cool thing is, you don't even have to donate to a so-called charity to actually get membership interest. No, you can actually qualify just by sharing with them your information, and they'll set you up real fast. So that's really fantastic. The final personal credit card same day approval from a credit union I want to share with you is the BCU Cashback Visa. So BCU stands for Boeing Employees Credit Union, and this is a cashback visa, so you have a rewards rate 1.5% cashback, and there is no annual fee. That's really good. The APR is kind of decent, 16% to 27%. There is a bonus offer of $300, so we love that a lot. And this is one of the best credit union credit cards for earning rewards without paying an annual fee. And so it really offers an initial bonus of $300 after you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And as a cardholder, you can also earn 1.5% back on all purchases. And this is kind of cool. And so you want to consider applying for the BCU Cashback Visa if you have, by the way, the credit score they ask for is 630. So if you have a good to average credit, good to excellent credit, and you live in Washington State or select Oregon and Idaho counties, or you're an employee of BCU or its subsidiaries, or a family member of one, or if you are a business owner, you can qualify. So one thing for sure, there are ways to qualify for membership. You don't have to stick to the geography I just gave you, Washington State or Oregon. No, you can actually get in BCU, not a problem, okay? So what are the pros and cons here? There are no membership fees. You have a $300 initial rewards bonus, and there is no foreign fee. What about the cons here? Well, no intro APR on purchases, no intro APR on balance transfers, and you have a card that may require excellent credit in some cases. But the bottom line is you are able to earn a $300 cashback bonus after you spend $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening, okay? And you can also earn 1.5% back on all your purchases. That's really good because it really adds up, okay? You also have you are also covered with $500,000 worldwide automatic travel accident insurance, travel and emergency assistance services. And in terms of travel benefits that you have roadside dispatch, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay protection, and trip cancellation and trip interruption coverage, okay? And you are able to have purchase benefits insurance. You have extended warranty protection and price protection, so that's really good. So this BCU card is really, this BCU Cashback Visa, it's a really fantastic card. So here's a recap here. In today's conversation, I'll share with you our top 7 personal credit cards, same day approval from a credit union, and I'll give you the list and now the recap. The list, you have Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card, First Tech Choice Rewards, World MasterCard, PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature, PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature, NIH Federal Credit Union Visa Signature Travel Card, and PenFed Gold Visa Card, and also BCU Cashback Visa. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.